little.
Her face is so adorable.
Oh, look at the heart on her head.
She's so cute.
Oh, she's tiny. You can't even tell. You can't even tell in the video how tiny she is. Look at her little voice. Are you crying? Don't cry. Look at the heart. Aren't you cute? Oh my goodness.
You're so adorable. Look at her tiny little ears.
Oh.
I don't ever see puppies this little, you know?
Yeah.
In a quarter
she's
mile,
eating
turn
my
right onto
shirt.
North 14th Avenue.
Look at her in my hair. She's in my hair.
She wants to hide.
You want to hide? I
It's like,
saw it.
Mommy, but it's so warm.
Turn right onto North.
You handing in our voices? Are you talking? Are you eating Mommy's finger?
She's so little.
She looks like she's gonna fall asleep.
I told you she has blinky, tired child eyes.
You got blinky eyeballs. You need a bath first because you stink.
Boy, then she'll really. Little infant puppy, come on.
Look at this thing.
Look at her.
Look at
Oh my god, she's gonna perch on the back of your neck.
She likes my hair. It's her new home. She's so tiny. Look at the little brown butt. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on, go potty. Go potty.
I wonder if she's walked around outside before.
There you go. Go potty. Is my your sister?
Probably really chilly.
This is so little. What's wrong? You gonna go see Mama? Are you gonna meet Banani? Do you wanna go meet my Danny? Why don't you take a little nap in the warm, okay? Little Juniper. Okay. So, didn't do very good vlogging this whole thing because it was seriously super quick. I didn't know. We weren't supposed to go out there until now. So I didn't even get a chance to do my hair or makeup or anything. And so me and my friend Karina drove out there, and oh my goodness. And when she came out, and she just like came out of the house and like handed her to me, and then was like, oh well, she's got a couple fleas, and I hope everything goes okay. And that was it. And then we were off. So when I got home, washed her down with some Dawn dish soap. She had a cluster of fleas right here, and so she's got a little sore right here from them, and one was like burrowed into her skin. So I wet her down good. Then I scrubbed her down with the Dawn because that'll kill, but it's still gentle for her. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. I'm in love. The only reason I'm not holding her right now is because she had a bath. She just got dried off. She's trying to warm up in her Batman blanket that Banani usually cuddles with. She's not met Banani. We are on our way to meet Banani right now. So yeah, she was on Kibbles and Bits, Purina, Puppy Chow. she just kind of like fed her whatever, I guess, because she was naming a bunch of stuff that she's eaten. She's only 5 weeks old. How are you giving her all that stuff? She's gonna have tum-tum problems. So since she was just so iffy about it, I got natural recipe puppy food. It has no artificial flavor, or not, has no artificial color in it, just in case, you know, like Banani got a hold of it, because, you know, Banani can't have anything with dye in it. She's allergic to dye. So I cannot believe she's here. I can't believe I held it in 5 weeks without telling you guys, because I was talking to this lady about getting her, and she is so cute. So cute. And she's so tiny. She's so tiny. The lady kept telling me different breeds. So, she's short hair. That's for sure. She's definitely, I see the rat terrier they're talking about, but she's got to be like part Chihuahua. Yeah, she's definitely Chihuahua rat terrier, because she's so, the way she's shaped. She's so little and cute. She's literally asleep in the blanket right now. She's so cute. I can't stand it. All right, Nanny. Are you ready? You up on the couch? You want to meet someone? All right. Are you ready? Banana, come here. Come here. Are you ready? Who is this? Who is this? Who is that? Do you like her? Come on, Nanny. Come here. Come on. Do you want to see her? Come here. Come on. Come down here. Oh, is this your puppy? Is she yours? She's for you, Banani. Come on. Here, Banani. What do you think, Banani? What do you think? Go see her. Go see her, Banani. Go see Juniper. Go see her. Look how little she is. Do you like her? Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh. Go, Banani. Come here, Banani. Come here. Go, Banani. Go get Juniper. She's yours. Is she yours? Thank Banani. Do you like your present? Do you like your present? Is she your present? Did I get you a baby sister? Did I get you a baby sister? All for you? All for you? Yeah. All for you. Look at the face. Look at the face. Come on, Nanny. Come on down. Go on, Nanny. Go see her. Go see your little sister. Holly, shh. Yeah, little noises. Go under the couch. What are you eating my shirt for, Juniper? Why are you eating my shirt, huh? What are you doing? Squishy, squishy. Come on, Banani. doesn't know what to make of her. She's yours. She's yours, Banani. I got her for you. Haven't even met the new aunties. And she's already booped. She just met the Banani. And Banani has no idea what to think of her. Banani! Banani! She keeps sniffing her and then walking away like she's nervous. See? This she's yours. It's a good Banani. Come here, Banani. Good Banani. Good Banani. Good Banani. It's alright, Nanny. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think we should let Roxy see her? Oh. What do you think, guys? Should we put her on the ground? Here. Be careful. Come here, Roxy. Oh. Look at that little heart. Holly. Holly, come see Juniper. No? All the big dogs act like they're scared of her. How are you scared of such a tiny little thing? It's so tiny. It's so tiny. Yawn. Do you want to try to eat? Are you hungry? Do you want to bring in my goodies? Oh. She is just, I don't think you can just fathom how little she is. She's just so tiny. Definitely rat terrier mix of some sort. Isn't that right, Banani? What do you think, Banani? Banana Nanny? What do you think, Nanny? Should we keep her? Banani's like, no. You must be hungry. You're chewing on my hand. Let's get you some food. Trying to hold her own with the big dogs. And just can't hack it. Way too young. We falling asleep. In Mommy's hand. That's how tiny she is. Falling asleep. Little baby Juniper. Little Missy Man. Trying to sleep. This is what's going on. Now, little Miss Ma'am, get down. We're gonna have to clean your crate so we don't. No. This is not working. want to take a nap? Junie? So ferocious. Oh, get the finger. Rawr. We're supposed to be taking a nap, but instead, 5 little puppies decide they want to do something else. Be ferocious. 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 She's gonna pop a tooth out on my finger. She's trying to be so ferocious. Ooh, there she goes. Where'd you go? Junie, did you fall down? Did you fall down, Junie? Oh, yeah, already fighting for attention. Yes, you two already fighting for attention. But you're too little, I can't get up and fight hard enough. No, I can't. We're supposed to be sleeping. Banani, come here. There we go. Banani's starting to come around. She's just unsure. She's just unsure. Come here, Nanny. Come on, there you go. Take your spot. Your spot's just fine. There you go. She likes my hair. You're gonna get a hairball in your tummy. I know, best angle ever. We're just chillaxing. Are we chillaxing? Taking ourselves a nap before work, huh? Are we napping before work? Kiss it. Okay. Oh, you can't see me anyway. So, real super quick, I left her at my mom's house just because I didn't know I was going to be getting her at 5 weeks old, and it's just not really safe for me to come home at like 2 in the morning and feed her. So my mom said she would keep her overnight the next 2 nights to feed her in the middle of the night. So I brought her crate, and I got her blankets that I normally use with Banani, and one of Banani's favorite stuffed animals is in there, which I picked it thinking she was going to be bigger than she is. The stuffed animal I picked is a pink lamb chop, if y'all know who lamb chop is. But lamb chop is probably 2.5 times as big as she is, which is hilarious. But she loves lamb chop, I guess because it's bigger than she is and smells like another dog. Banani is meh with her. Like she likes her, but I don't know that she wants like to live with her right now. But you know, I guarantee you within a couple of days she's gonna absolutely love her, because now when she cries she doesn't pay attention to her, but when she started like giving little roo-roos, then Banani was sticking her face in and trying to give her kisses and stuff. So Banani has that instinct to like try to calm her down when she gets really hysterical. The lady said she eats just fine, and she does not. She does not. We had to go out and buy milk replacement and put it in a bowl so she could eat some milk, not puppy food. So we went out and got food, and I am literally covered in puppy hair, puppy throw up milk, and and I'm pretty sure there's puppy pee on me, and I don't know that I have time to stop by my house and change, but I have my caffeine. So I'm sorry this vlog is all over the place. I mean, worse than normal, and I didn't vlog it properly. I was just too like rush excited, like not thinking. So, but my friend who went with me, Karina, she went home and her husband was like, you didn't bring me one. So I messaged the lady. I'm saw if she had any more, because her litter was quite large. And so me and Karina are going back out to the lady's house in the morning, and Juniper, one of her sisters, is gonna go home with Karina, and she already named it Penelope and Penny for short, so Junie and Penny. And Karina's like, our doggies are sisters, we're family now. And I was like, how cute is that? Junie and Penny sisters. The one I think Karina's gonna get is black with like the little brown spots right here. Oh my goodness. I will, the next vlog you'll see it, because I'm trying to put this one up super quick. I want to do it, I probably won't, I don't know what I'll do, because I really want to film tomorrow a Meet the Juniper before I put this vlog up. So the next clip is either the peace out or me going with Karina to get Penny. Bye.